21% of Michigan drivers are uninsured, but what about those who are underinsured? In this week's Know the Law segment, Tom Sinas is here to talk about what you can do to make sure you've got enough coverage.
It's really important because people don't understand the difference between uninsured coverage and underinsured coverage, okay? Uninsured motorist coverage protects you against bad drivers who have no insurance. Underinsured motorist coverage protects you from bad drivers who have lousy insurance. Okay, that's the difference.
People are driving around that have car insurance, but it doesn't cover much.
That's right. And here's the thing people don't realize. In Michigan, you can legally drive a car with only $20,000 in liability insurance coverage. And you can do that and be in compliance with the law.
Yeah.
So you're not uninsured. But what if you get into an accident with one of those people? You can't control who hits you. More importantly, you can't control the bad insurance buying decisions that they made before they hit you.
So, I mean, in this state, if someone's rolling around with $20,000 of insurance and you have some sort of catastrophic injury, it only covers it up to that first $20,000?
That's right, particularly when it comes to your lost wages, okay? You're going to get the first 3 years of your lost wages from what's called your no-fault insurer. But what if you can never go back to work? The only place that you can go is the at-fault driver's insurance. Well, what if that at-fault driver only had $20,000 of insurance? Well, hopefully you will have watched this segment and you will have bought underinsured motorist coverage. That will allow you to turn back to your insurance company and seek the rest of the claims that you would have sought against the at-fault driver through your own insurance.
How much is that going to cost me if I do that?
It is like the best deal in insurance you can get. I have $1 million in this coverage, and I think I pay less than $20 a year.
Wow.
But here's the trick. The thing is that it's not mandatory, and some insurance carriers don't even sell it. A lot of agents don't understand it, or they don't offer it. So you need to call your agent and say, I need two things. I need uninsured, but I need underinsured motorist coverage as well. And if that carrier won't sell it to you, go to a different carrier.
We've got about a minute left. Let's talk about why you don't want to be underinsured as well, because that has a whole nother ramification.
That's right. If you cause an accident, you could be personally responsible for the damages that the other person sustains. So, for example, if that person can never go back to work and you don't have enough insurance, your personal assets could be at risk. That's why you want to carry as much liability insurance coverage as you can, because heaven forbid if you cause an accident, you want there to be enough liability insurance coverage for you. Underinsured coverage comes in because you can't protect yourself against the decisions that other people make.
Right.
So you want as much liability coverage as you can get, you want uninsured motorist coverage, you want underinsured motorist coverage, and of course you need no-fault coverage. If you have those four things, you'll be doing a lot better than a lot of people on the roads right now.
Something to think about. And Tom, if somebody has a question about an accident they've been in or any kind of legal question, they can call your office.
That's right, in Grand Rapids, 616-301-3333. They can find us online, www.sinasdramis.com, or shoot us an email at info@sinasdramis.com.
Great information, something to think about, Tom. Thanks very much.
Thanks, Christian.